It's Vlogmas Day 13. Happy Vlogmas, everybody. I hit record on this thing off and on all day, and I just looked at all my footage and there's no sound. So we'll just have to put it all together with a nice soundtrack. I went and got Lisa's nephew Jack to help me do a fulfillment project. We knocked that out this afternoon and then took it to the post office tonight. Got down there about 9:30. Maybe they'll start dropping on Tuesday or Wednesday. Project's late because the customer didn't send us their mailing list in time, but we went as fast as we could. So we got it done. Hope everybody's having a great weekend. Vlogmas 2020. Tomorrow's another day, everybody.